Well, today I just harvested the last of the peppers on the one pepper plant, and I harvested two bell peppers previous about a month ago. And I got all my tomatoes out. We got some frost coming tonight, and as you can see, some of them were starting to split. We've had some real heavy rain, and so it caused the tomatoes to split, even though I was watering them regularly, but too much water compared to what they're used to, and you'll get this right here. So I'll consume those, use those up right away. And the rest of them that are green, we'll put them in the sunlight and hopefully they'll turn. I've got quite a few red ones down on the bottom that you can't see, the larger ones that are the beefsteaks. These ones are the orange zingers. They're a little smaller. But yeah, first year growing peppers here, so I'm quite happy. I'll have a lot more planted next year. Potato harvest time, 2017. Should yield about 500 plus pounds, I guess, of Yukon Gold and some Russian Blue down in the lower beds. Today is August 21st. This pepper plant has been in since July 1st. And two are ready to harvest. Got one right here, and this one on the other side. So we'll cut those two, and that'll speed up the growth of the other ones. I think they're about 9 altogether, and still more flowers, so we'll get cutting. So the potato garden in 2017 has just been harvested. I believe it's the 23rd or 24th of September. An average yield, a little over 500 pounds total. Yukon Golds and a small portion of Russian Blue. And I did have potato scab again this year, so one thing I will be doing shortly before the snow comes, I want to lower the pH in my soil, so I'll put possibly some iron sulfite in there. I may choose to go the all natural route though and avoid that to get the pH down to, because I'm unable to rotate my potato garden, which is recommended. So I'll be doing that in the years to come. So all that's left now, as you can see over to the left, is the carrot, and I've got a few potatoes up around the back side of that fence as well. And I also have a few turnip. Hi everyone, Dave here. It's October 20th, and it's been about 125 days since I planted the carrots, so we're going to harvest them today. It's a little bit wet, but it's the only day that I've got to be able to harvest, so we'll start pulling up our carrots. Stay tuned. Welcome back everyone. So this is the yield that I got this year with the carrots. These seeds were Mackenzie seeds, 3 years old. I had tenderloin and purators, and I had the jumbos on the top rows. And as you can see, fairly good sized carrots this year. We had an extremely dry summer, so it was important at the beginning, when I planted the seed, it was important to keep the soil nice and moist in order for germination, and not let them dry up once they came up. So I watered every day, usually in the evening, significant amount of water. But once they get healthy enough and large enough, you don't tend to have to water as much. They're a little more stronger and they don't need as much water. So, but that's the harvest for this year with the carrot. I'm quite happy. Like I say, a lot of it where I won't be putting a whole lot in the root cellar this year with the carrots. Most what I'll do is parboil and then vacuum seal and put in the freezer. So next year I'm hoping to have a new root cellar here, underground root cellar, that will definitely be able to store all of my crops. So anyways, just thought I'd share this. As always, take care and thanks for watching.